Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in trains. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, here say the speed of the faster train x kmph and the speed of the slower train is y kmph. Friends, it is given that the two trains cross each other in 14 seconds while while traveling in opposite direction. So here the sum of the lengths of the two trains, that is distance traveled, distance, velocity into time. Here velocity is relative velocity traveling in opposite direction. So velocity into time 14 seconds. See friends, velocity into time, sum of the lengths of the two trains. Friends, again it is also given that while traveling in the same direction, they take 3 minutes 2 seconds. That is 182 seconds to cross each other. See friends, here the sum of the lengths of the two trains, that is distance, velocity into time. Here velocity is x minus y into time 182 seconds. Friends, these two are equal. This is the sum of the lengths of the two trains. This is the sum of the lengths of the two trains. Friends, 14 ones, 14 13s. So x plus y is equal to 13x minus 13y. It implies 12x is equal to 14y. X by y is equal to 14 by 12. Friends, this is the speed of the faster train. This is the speed of the slower train. Here the question is the speed of the faster train is what percent more than the speed of the slower train. So 2 more than 12 percentage into 100. 2 ones, 2 sixes, 2 threes, 2 fifties. 50 by 3 implies 16 2 by 3% friends. 16 2 by 3% friends. Thank you.